Ever feel like your reading life is, well, a bit bland? Like you're stuck in a rut, always reaching for the same old genres? You crave something new, something that truly ignites your imagination. But finding that perfect book feels like searching for a needle in a haystack. Let's be honest, the world of books is vast and overwhelming. Endless shelves, countless recommendations, and the constant pressure to pick the right one. It can feel like a minefield, leaving you paralyzed with indecision. You end up reading the same authors, sticking to familiar territory, and missing out on a whole universe of incredible stories waiting to be discovered. But what if there was a way to break free from the reading rut? A way to unlock a world of personalized book recommendations, tailored to your unique taste and reading preferences? Enter Vivid, the app that revolutionizes how you discover and enjoy books. Personalized recommendations. Vivid doesn't just throw random books at you. It starts by understanding your reading soul. Through a series of engaging quizzes and interactive experiences, Vivid learns your likes, dislikes, and reading habits. Do you prefer thrilling mysteries or heartwarming romances? Do you devour fantasy epics or savor short stories? Vivid listens and builds a personalized profile that reflects your unique reading personality. AI-powered discovery. Once Vivid knows your preferences, the magic begins. Its powerful AI engine scours the vast literary landscape, uncovering hidden gems and introducing you to books you never knew existed. It goes beyond simple keywords, delving into the nuances of plot, character development, and writing style to find the perfect match for your reading palette. Interactive reading journey. But Vivid doesn't stop at recommendations. It transforms your reading journey into an interactive experience. You can track your progress, set reading goals, and even join vibrant communities of fellow book lovers. Connect with others who share your passion, discuss your favorite books, and discover new authors and genres through engaging conversations. Constant evolution. Vivid is constantly learning and evolving. As you read and provide feedback, the app refines its understanding of your preferences, delivering even more accurate and insightful recommendations. It's like having a personal book sommelier, always there to guide you towards your next literary adventure. Benefits of using Vivid. Imagine a world where every book is a thrilling discovery, where you're constantly surprised and delighted by new authors and genres. Vivid makes this a reality. It empowers you to explore the vast literary landscape with confidence, discover books you'll truly love, and cultivate a lifelong passion for reading. So, are you ready to break free from the reading rut and embark on a thrilling literary journey? Download the Vivid app today and experience the magic of personalized book discovery for yourself. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy reading.